think I'm going to call it there. We got some pretty good progress made. We have all of the sanding done. We have our hole started for our hood vent. I'm gonna have to clean it up with my carbide burr and the die grinder. But we have the general shape there, and it's actually looking pretty decent. Kind of reminds me of like an Evo thing. Anyway, looks pretty good. I did go ahead and pick up the epoxy resin today. I went to Michael's and actually found one that I think is gonna be pretty good. It is the Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast Epoxy. And this is for arts and crafts like casting and stuff, but they also said it works on fabrics, it works on all of that stuff. It's a good epoxy. And then I was just checking out the technical like data sheet online and comparing it with the West Systems 105 that I would normally use. And it is actually kind of close to it. The West Systems is a little bit harder, but this one has a similar tensile strength, similar heat rating, and all of that stuff. So I was like, why not? We can get it locally. I think both of these cost me $78 or something like that for 2 packs. So it's 32 ounces total. Not too bad, but still kind of pricey if it doesn't work. So hopefully it works. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this hood finished up. Probably tomorrow we'll get everything all trimmed up for the hood scoop, and then we're gonna go ahead and prime everything, and then we can start prepping the surface, waxing it, and then laying down our release film stuff, and then we can go ahead and start laying down some resin and some carbon probably on Tuesday, and we'll see how it comes out probably Wednesday or Thursday. So we've got a little bit of work ahead of us, but it should be pretty fun, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Something different, giving you guys a noob's perspective on composite molding and stuff. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.